Hey everyone, it's your girl Toya Lovely. Okay, so as you can see, we are back with our Brazilian. Right now, I'm going to cleanse the Brazilian area. So during this video, you guys will see a clear through video of me waxing using Miss Sari wax. I actually mixed two Miss Sari's waxes together. So I mixed the white one and the blue one together. So let's just get right into this video. So as you guys can see, I'm using powder to dry up that area. My client started sweating, y'all, like really sweating. Okay, so I had to put a little bit more powder, and I brushed some off, which is totally fine to do, guys. Put as much powder as you want, but definitely try to take it off too as well when your client, you know, starts to dry up a little bit. So here, you guys already know I'm going to go in the direction of her hair growth, and I'm going to do this on the opposite side as well, but you guys basically know how to do the Brazilian wax. So make sure every time that you do lay the wax, you lay it in the direction of the hair growth, and then you rip it, and then from the opposite side you'll lay it from where the hair growth is going. So don't forget that. That's just a quick tip for y'all. So I'm going to let you guys watch me thoroughly do a Brazilian, and then I'll be back when it's mask time. Bye guys. Let's get into the mask. Okay, so our vajacial mask from Bush Balm, we freaking love their products, y'all. We use them now a lot in our suite. So with this product, it is mixed with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So with this product, it's like easy to penetrate into the skin. It's like lukewarm, not too cool, not too hot, and it has green tea, which helps calm and reduce the look of redness after your hair. So let's check it out and see how our client likes it. So we added steam to her vajacial mask just because she wanted it, but steam is definitely optional, guys. So don't think that you need the steam in order to use the mask, because the mask can be used without the steam, which is really good, and I definitely like it because the products still penetrate in the skin no matter what. So here, guys, you guys can definitely see the hydration still on the skin when you peel the mask off. Like, you can still see it, which is super great. So I definitely wanted you guys to see this clip just to see how the mask penetrates in the skin, and you can see how it. Okay, so now let's get into Bush Balm's ingrown oil. So this oil is used after all of our waxing services. It softens the skin, relieves redness, and reduces the appearance of any ingrowns. And it's really good for all skin types. So definitely check it out, and definitely look how it leaves the moisture glowing and the punani looking right. So hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe for more. Bye guys.